Got the thumbs up all around. We'll begin qualification match number 93 in 3, 2, 1, go! They're off to the races in autonomous. On our red alliance, it's going to be team 6007X Quantum Flux from LA and their partners from Chiapas, Mexico, team 49181N. About 1 second left in autonomous. I don't see a whole lot of scoring going on, just that one on the stationary goal. Blue takes the bonus, and driver control will begin in 3, 2, 1, go! So our teams are into motion. Looks like we need a field tech over here on 49181N. They're having some problems. Our field tech crew is over them, helping them out. On the blue alliance, meanwhile, team 901C, that's going to be Chomusuke from Tokyo, Japan. And their partners, the e-lime-n-ators, 59990Z from Boerne, Texas. Love to hear those cheering sections. Put up some points. Oh, unfortunately, they lose an entire stack off of that mobile goal due to the e-lime-n-ators. But their partners from Japan loading up some stackage of their own. Meanwhile, team 607X, that's Quantum Flux, loading up 7 cones on top of a stack. Unfortunately, team 49181N is out of commission. Their robot is not moving. Our field techs desperately trying to get their robot back into motion. So this is a 2v1 right now. Quantum Flux, taking on our team from Japan, Chomusuke, as well as the e-lime-n-ators. Unfortunately, the Blue Alliance is just dropping stacks all over the place. They must have put some oil on these cones before the day began, because we are seeing stacks toppling in a way that I do not recall from yesterday. Oh, and another one goes down as robots are jostling at midfield. 15 seconds left in the match, and Quantum Flux is outscoring the Blue Alliance all by itself. Look at the scattered carcasses of cones all over in that blue scoring zone. That is not what you want to see as an alliance. There's 5 seconds left, and e-lime-n-ators doing some valiant last-second scoring on top of that stationary goal. Everyone's trying to park. It's a close match.